Well, both of them, of course, either because monitoring contributes to observability, or because they serve two slightly different purposes, or because in the future, observability will allow for monitoring. I monitor my IT so that I am alerted as soon as there is a problem. Whereas I make my IT observable so that when there is a problem, I can diagnose it, investigate it. Monitoring is about collecting the exact information I need to be sure that as soon as there is a problem, IT operation teams will be alerted, or to create dashboards so that they have the full visibility in real time about their IT. Observability is about collecting all the information first without thinking too much, the logs, the traces, the metrics, and put everything in a central database. When I need to diagnose a problem, I use some fancy query tools to analyze the data and find the root cause of a problem. So observability is more about collecting without thinking first, and then when it is time to diagnose a problem, this is where cleverness and thinking and smartness starts. IT operations team need to monitor 100% of their IT in order to be alerted as soon as there is a problem and to get end-to-end visibility on their IT. DevOps teams, they need observability of the applications that they are developing so that they can maintain them, debug them, optimize them. SecOps team need observability of the infrastructure that they are securing so that they can detect security problems and diagnose them and fix them. Yes, a modern IT monitoring platform can feed the observability stack with very well qualified data, such as health metrics, and thus contribute to a better observability. In theory, yes. We are not there yet. In the future, artificial intelligence, machine learning algorithms will automatically detect, from this huge amount of data that there is a problem, and will alert the IT operation teams about the problem and give them tools to analyze the problem and fix the problem. We are not there yet, but we could say that observability is the future of IT monitoring.